Thank you. I am here to say thanks, a million thanks to God Almighty who made it possible. It is not easy, but with God it is easy. And my second appreciation goes to Mr. Ambrish, the one and only teacher that will teach you and it will enter your brain. Mr. Ambrish, you are such a good teacher. You've taught me so many things in life, not only based on patente law, but you are such a good teacher, and I'm here to return thanks to you. When I went to driving today, I never expected. When I called you, you said I should get back to you in 4 days to my exam, which I actually did, and you sent me videos and the questions to repass, so to study, which I did, and I follow your instruction, and it was so easy. When I entered inside the car, the examiner came. I wasn't anxious because Mr. Ambrish always tells us to always breathe in and breathe it out, not to be anxious of anything, that we should not be thinking of anything. We shouldn't be afraid. We should take away that fearness. We should take it away, which I actually did. I follow his instruction, and when it was my turn to do it, she asked me many questions inside the car. I was able to reply without even telling me. My teacher behind me that was teaching me in the auto scholar was doing me like this, meaning that I'm doing a great job and I'm answering the questions very well. After answering the questions, he said, okay, I should do a package essay and la retromancha, which I did, and she was one that said perfecto, very good. Then she now said, okay, now let's drive to the road, which I did, going and coming back. As we stopped, without she even mentioning anything, look at where is Balio, look at where the nose Balio, nothing. Then at the end, he said, sei super bravissima, hai fatto ottimo lavoro, adesso sei idoneo. I shouted. I was like, what? I never expected, because last night I didn't sleep. I was studying. I woke up around 1 in the midnight, 1 p.m. I was studying. I woke up this ceremony around 6. I was studying. I said, God help me. And actually, he did. He helped me, and also with the help of Mr. Ambrish. Please, if you know anyone that wants to get his or her driving license quick, very fast, contact Mr. Ambrish. He's always going to be there for you anytime, any day when you are ready. Except you are not ready. When you are ready, less than 6 months, you will get yours within a twinkle of an eye. Yeah. Thank you so much once again, Mr. Ambrish. I'm so glad. I'm so happy that with your help and the help of God Almighty, I'm able to hold my patente in my hand. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate with these efforts that you put in for me to have my patente. Now I cannot drive freely. I cannot drive safely. I cannot drive very well without if I spending money on taxi, taking Puma, especially this code is so annoying. Thank you so much. I appreciate once again. Thank you.